Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing. Make sure Windows 11 and the OneDrive app are updated, and close any programs using files you will unsync. Once done, click the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar notification area and open Settings via the gear menu. You're taking control of sync behavior now, so check which account is active and which folders show syncing. This quick prep prevents data conflicts and gives you a clear path into the unsync options you'll use next. Now go to Settings, choose Account, then click Choose Folders to view what's synced. You'll uncheck any folders you no longer want synced to this PC. Unchecking removes local copies while leaving cloud versions intact. If you prefer to stop syncing specific file types, use Selective Sync here to limit bandwidth and storage. Make sure to apply changes and wait as OneDrive updates local availability. This middle step changes what stays on your disk versus what remains in the cloud, and prevents. To finish, if you want to stop all sync activity, open Settings and select Unlink this PC. That severs the connection without deleting cloud data. If you only adjusted folders, verify local files are present or removed per your selections. Once complete, sign back in or restart OneDrive to confirm behavior. If syncing stalls, pause then resume sync or sign out and sign in again. This often clears cache and reconnects. That troubleshooting tip fixes most stuck sync states quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.